Okay, I think we're live now. We are live. So excited to be here today again. Let me tell them on the community we're live. All right. Okay. All right. So welcome to um, this week live trading for beginners, and excited to bring you guys to share with you my knowledge. And as always, I'm okay. Confirm you can hear me. Um, is my mic working? Okay. All right. So so excited to bring you guys um, this information. I'm very sure that you guys are getting value. That is why you guys are always coming back again and again and again and again, right? So, who is here to make money? It's money time. It's money o'clock, right? So let's just go straight into the business for today. I'll be teaching a bit, but before I start teaching, I'll just um, as always, I will analyze the chart and I'll give us opportunity to be able to make money, right? So let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, this is the chart. Last week, um, last week, as I was telling you, I know somebody through the signals on the group chat. She doubled her account literally, like, and she's going. Yeah. Sometimes I'm not able to drop signals on the group, but I do send signal privately to few people um, because sometimes the market can be very choppy, and you just have to go in and go out. So we'll be looking at few pairs. And one thing I like to do anytime I want to analyze the market is come to the 4 hour time frame because you see, I'm a pure price action trader, right? So no, I don't use indicator. I'm not saying it's wrong, but that's not my strategy. So first of all, I come to the daily time frame. So let's start with GBP USD. GBP USD. So let's see. Okay, what are we seeing? That for the past 4 hours, see this candlestick, the price has been tanking, like literally been tanking. And let me see what has happened. And you see that this is a key zone. Price has retested this level many times. Sorry. Alright, price has, let me put psychological level. Um, Psychological level, for those of you who are saying now, what is psychological level? It's very simple. These are just like prices that banks and big hedge funds and big institutional traders pay attention to. It usually used to be a round number. For example, now let's say you bought something um, uh, of um, of 95 naira and you gave 100 naira, right? Usually people would want to like a round number, like you want to buy something, they'll say 950, 500. They will not want to put the price as, let me say, 952 naira. It doesn't make sense, right? So just the same way. So when price gets to a whole number like this, big institutional fund that are looking to sell, like you can see what happened here. The price got to this price. This first candle, it rejected. Here, the same thing, it rejected. So let's look at the that even the same at this level here, price has also into this level, retested. Right, I'm seeing a very good sell opportunity on GBP USD. But for us to get our confirmation, we'll have to come to the 1 hour time frame. Um, Okay, my network. Oh, you see it? See, I wish we are late on this trade, but I wish we had gotten in here. We would have ridden this thing down to the downside. It's a very, 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 very good trade. Come, you know. Okay, very good setup for a sell opportunity on GBP USD. But I don't think we can get 1 to 2 risk reward on this trade. We're already late. Okay. We're late already. Let me see. It's in a trend line. This trend line is very valid. It's one of my strategy. So why I draw this line is that anytime price gets to this line, price will reject. You see, it go here, it rejected, it go here, it go here, it rejected, went up back. So we're already late on this trade. See, if I was a scalper, there's still opportunity for me to still sell, but it's already late. For those of you who probably would like to take this trade, sorry, you can sell here. Sell here. Here's my trading rules. Use 10. I use 10 pips surplus. So okay. Okay. Confirm you can hear me. Drop one on the chat if you can hear me. Drop one. So I'll be sure you can hear me. Okay. Um, okay. Let me drop this signal on the group chat, right? So because I believe price is still gonna tank to this point. So our stop loss is going to be um our stop loss our stop loss is gonna be um here, that means 1 point. Wait, sorry, let's walk. Our stop loss is gonna be um how should I this a bit off? The stop is going to be 1 point, I think 1.29719. 1.29719. Um, okay. The stop loss is going to be 1.29719. I take profits. We are targeting times two. The take profit is going to be here 1.2935. So if you are here, you must trade. Sell GBP USD now. Let me drop it on the chart. Let me drop it on the community. I'm trying to drop this trade on the community. I know most of you are not interested on how I'm able to do the analysis. You just want to, the one is to make money. And don't worry, I'm here for you. To make the money. So 1 point. But even though I know we're already late on that trade, if we had, I didn't see it on time, would have ended from up. So if you are not on the community, click the link on the description box, and I post free trades there. Sorry. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, right. So very simple. See what price is in. Price is rejecting here, but the price is rejecting here. Well, on the 1 hour, the price is really rejecting at this level, right? Okay, there's a second, but it's still a good sell position. I'm going to enter this trade. Um, Coming, let me enter this trade with GBP USD. Going to sell 0.05. Our decision was lot size, right? Because most of you blow your account because you do not understand lot size. Yeah, you do not understand lot size. Yeah, so you don't understand lot size. That's why most of you blow your account. So I've dropped this trade on the group chat. So if you have an account of $100 below, use 0.01 lot size. For those of you who are new to trading and you do not know how to connect your broker, um, the broker uses Xness. Go to all you just have to do is to go to your Play or your App Store, download Xness and search Xness. You see Xness, download the app, download MT5 as well. So you go on Xness, you create an account. If you do not know how to create an account, go on YouTube, how to create an Xness account, create an account, verify the account, fund the account, then link your Xness account to the MT5. It's as simple as that, and you can start trading different currency pair all over the world. So it's very simple as that. So if you have an account less than you know, use 0.01 on this trade. So now let's look at gold. Gold has been buying, like been buying seriously. Like look at it's been buying for the past 30. But I'm not gonna call this trade. I already called this trade in the morning, and we made money from this trade when it was down here. When it broke this level, it went up. So I'm not going to trade this gold. But see, it's in an uptrend. You can see from here for the past 4 hours, gold has just been up, 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 up. So if you are selling gold at this point, at this time, you are wrong, right? So one of the way you know how to when to buy or sell, you have to really determine what is the trend of the market. You see that here on the 4 hour time frame, as a day trader, 4 hour time frame is where is the time frame we use to confirm our do our top down analysis, right? Even though we know weekly, daily, but 4 hours is usually the major time frame we usually use. It's been up, 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 up. So if you are trying to sell gold, you're going to be losing your money, right? So, but we're already late. Usually, um, you have to wait for price to retest, then just long. So all through this week, we're just going to be making money buying gold, buying gold. So it's just very simple like that. You come back to the 1 hour, you see the 4 hours, what is there, it tallies with the 1 hour that gold is buying. You come back to the 15-minute time frame, see the same thing. Gold has been buying, 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 buying up to the upside. Look at this trade I've been in. So same thing as GBP JPY. Trying to look for another at least one more trade for us to take, like one more trade, right? But I know there will be trade opportunities on the London session. I know we'll have trade opportunity. So now look at something here. See that here price has gotten to this level in the past and retested. Remember I taught you something about cycle. Okay. Remember that I taught you something that banks and hedge funds are the major players in the financial market, and before they trade, they would always use psychological level. So you see that when market was buying, selling, it got here, it retested. Market got here, it was buying, it got here, it retested back down, and market has gotten here again, and you see the market is retesting. So you see we are seeing a huge sell opportunity here. But before we have to sell, we have to literally wait for this 4 hours candlestick to close. It's remaining 10 minutes for this. See this candlestick, this sell candlestick, right? So we'll sell based on the candlestick pattern that is forming around that level. You can see here too. Look at it. When price got here in the past previously, you see, it gave us um, a reversal candle pattern, right? You see, it gave us a reversal candle pattern, and you see, anytime you see this, it gave us like a bearish, bullish, and an engulfing candlestick pattern, and you see price begin to tank. So the same thing that happened here, that's what we would literally have to wait for, that price, that this candle closed, another one form before we find another trade opportunity here. But for now, we're expecting a sell on GBP JPY, and it's going to be a massive sell. You can see it already. It's literally tanking, right? But I think this is not the right time for anybody to want to sell GBP. You have to wait for um for more confluences, more confirmations, right? You don't just enter. You don't just enter. So hopefully by New York session, now it's just one leg. So it's almost New York session by two. So hopefully by two, I am very sure that price is going to tank all through. But I'll drop a signal on the group. So if we can just get one more trade, one more trade, one more trade. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing an opportunity on. I'm also seeing another opportunity on US oil. First of all, go to our 4 hours time frame. So we could have like a, just like you being on what would I put it down? Being on a high pedestal observing the market. The price has gotten here in the past, and it's basically just that what has been will always still, it would be what would happen again in the future. You can use what has happened in the past to predict what's going to happen in the future. You see that this trend psychological level at the past, anytime price buys and get or sold and go to that point, there usually would be, you see, a retest. Right? Look at. Then price finally broke down to the downside, and you can see what is happening here. Price has got into this zone again. So just be patient. I'm seeing also sell opportunity on US oil. Let me go to the 1 hour. Alright, okay, see a sell opportunity. Sell opportunity. See a sell opportunity. Alright, look at on US oil. On US oil. So okay, I'm going to drop the signal. So I'm seeing a sell opportunity. But if price can break to this level, the game is a patient game. It's just that, yeah, I'm seeing, it's not that means I will enter now. But if price gets to this line here, I'm going to be shorting US oil. So now two trade GBP, JPY, and GBP, and on GBP, and on US oil. So these are the two trades we're expecting to make money from out of today. By New York session, we'll be trading gold as well. Sorry, Bitcoin, BTC, USD. I just usually focus on GBP, JPY, and on this thing, and on BTC, USD. So look at what I'm seeing here. There is huge opportunity. See price gold. See one thing about BTC USD. If you want to make money, trend line. See this is my trend line. Price go here, we tested it, go here, and price has broken off my trend line on the 4 hours time frame. So that means we are going to be shorting gold by 2 o'clock by New York session. See, price has retested here, and I'm seeing like a good sell setup, like it has broken, and that means gold is going to sell down to hopefully maybe come back to $77,000. So, but We'll just be patient. Let me just put a psychological level there. Alright, so that's by that time, we just know what we are doing. Yes. So it's not very difficult. Just keep it simple. Just price action. What has price done before? Use it to predict what price has done. You see, just imagine you want to make money. See, you show you price get here, you long. Price get here, you long. Price gets here, you buy. Just as simple as a 2 years old can. It's not forex is not very difficult. Look at price go here. See what happened? It bought. Price got here, got to the trend line again. You buy. Price gets here again, you buy. Price gets here and broke our trend line. See that we now see that there's now a breakout to the downside. Price has refused to go up. So that's what we are looking to do. Um, that's what we are looking to do at the at the New York session, right? Very simple. Always keep it 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 very simple. Very simple. So trading shouldn't be very complicated. We shouldn't always complicate things. It should be very, very, very simple. Yeah, so I think we're just 21 minutes in. I want to be sharing something on lot sizing, right? I'm teaching a bit, so let me stop sharing my screen. All right, guys, this thing I'm about to share with you guys is something that is very important to me. Very, very important to me. Very important to me. A lot of you guys blow your account. Like you can't literally hold your account for you can't hold an account you cannot hold an account for more than it's just Monday morning already and the market just opened and many of you guys has blown your account. This is one of the more uh, um, issue most new traders have when they fund their accounts to you. They literally blow their account. They can fund $100 and blow it off, and it's very painful. And it's part of the school fees you pay to learn, right? The market will collect from you until you begin to master the whole trade. But trust me, I'm here to make that journey very shorter for you that you can get to a point where you gain mastery with time and you can be consistently making profit in your account. You see, one thing that makes a great trader is not how much is in his account. It's not the size, the amount of money he has in his forex account. It's not about his strategy. It's really about psychology and risk management, right? I can have $100,000 account, and because I do not have the right psychology, I might have good strategy, but because I do not use proper risk management on that trade, on trading that account, I can literally be losing per trade 10%, 20% on that account, and it gets to affect my psychology. I become emotional, and now I want to do what is called revenge trading. Before you know, over time, I've blown the whole account, and you see people say, "Oh, I funded my account $200," and I took signal and it has blown up. It's just what it is. Risk management would really save you and help you be profitable on the long journey. And so today I want to teach you guys what is called lot sizing. So in forex, there's what is called leverage, right? You see, the major participants in the forex market are like 90% of the participants. When I mean participants, the people that trade the financial market as central banks of countries, right? Hedge funds, institutional investors. These are people that have capital of hundreds of billions, 5 billion. They manage billions in capital. Central banks of nations. These are people that major participants in the forex market. Why retail um, traders like me and you that just have an account of $1 million, $100,000, $100, $50, $10. You see, we are the like my we just contribute let's say 10% of the financial market. Just imagine the water that fills this cup. This is the whole forex market, and imagine that we that are retail private investors like us, we just contribute 10% of the whole water in this cup. You see, we are very small. So that's why in trading forex, you have to just follow the trend. The trend is your friend because just imagine what the trend because what moves the market. If you see the market going up, it means that majority of those big guys they are buying at the moment. If price is tanking, that means they are selling at the moment. So just imagine trying to buy when 90% of the people that controls the forex market are selling, you are buying. Of course, you'll just wipe your money, right? Even though you do not understand anything about trading, right? If you understand how to determine the trend and look for a good entry in the nearest psychological level and just still continue following the trend, I'm telling you, you are going to be a very wealthy person through forex. Just if you don't know, just know how to follow the trend and know how to use proper risk management. So you see, we don't move the market, right? We wait for the market to move and we just react. We don't try to move the market. I'm not saying, okay, I wake up this morning, I want to buy. No. I look at what is going on in the market, what the big guys are doing. The candlestick gives me that information. And from there, I now react as, okay, I'm going to buy at this level, I'm going to sell at this level because because this is the trend of the market. It has been trending at this level, buying or it's been selling. So now um, lot size, it's just lot size has direct impact on the risk management of your account, right? In forex trading, there's what we call leverage. Like leverage in forex is the ratio of trade capital or fund to the size of the broker funds is like the amount of money your broker make available for you to be able to open a position. You see, for you to be able to trade the forex market, please can you hear me? Um, can you hear me? Okay, all right. So I say for you to be able to trade the financial market, you literally need a lot of money. For you to be able to place one lot size, like just 1.0 on the forex market, you need $100,000 for you to be able to make that position. For you to even to use your 0.01, you need 1,000 units of that currency to be able to place a trade with your 0.01. But now your broker has done it, all happens in the back end. What happens there is that your broker gets to lend you this money. It's just like a loan your broker gives you and say, okay, bring 1% of the account of that's what your margin is. Like the broker takes, maybe you want to open um let's say you want to open sorry guys, let me show you guys something. Let me just I think if I use this picture, it's going to really make sense to you guys. Um, okay. Okay. Hold on. So it's the amount of money, lot size is the amount of money your broker lends you to be able to participate in a position. Yeah. The amount of money your broker lends you to be able to participate in a position, right? So, so you so you can trade. So it gives you opportunity to trade such a large amount of money with your small money. So broker is like a bank that gives you um, money upfront to be able to participate in the financial market. So what does that mean? That for you to be able to open a position side of 0.01, 0.01, you need at least 100 units for you to open one standard lot size of that currency, which is one standard lot size. You need 100,000 units of the base currency. And look at me and you. Where would you get $100,000 for you to be able to just trade one standard lot, not even 10 standard lot? So it means that individual private investors like me and you, we literally cannot participate in the forex market. For you to be able to trade a mini lot size, let's say mini lots are like 0.1, 0.5, we need 10,000 units of that currency. So we need $10,000. Let's say we are trading USD JPY. We need to have at least 10,000 USD dollars to be able to place a trade of 0.1. So you see, we literally, or for you to place your 001, you need at least 1,000 units of that base currency. So it's so if that way, an ordinary person cannot have the opportunity to place trade that size now. So your broker, what they do at the back end is they lend you that amount of money. Like if you are trading one standard lot, what is happening in the back end is for you to be able to trade an account, to trade a position of one standard lot, you need $100,000, but your broker is saying bring 1% of this $100,000, and they literally would give you um sorry, is it 1% now or 10%? I think it's okay. I think it's 1%. Yeah, 1%. So now I have 100,000. I want to trade 0.01. I do not have $100,000. I have an account of $5,000. All I need to trade that one standard lot is um the broker will be demanding for me at least 1,000. Sorry, 1% of that of my account, right? So I must be able to have a large account size, right? So if I have an account of $10,000 and I'm placing one standard lot, and I want to use one standard lot, the broker will require me to bring 1% of that $100,000 that is needed to place that coin. So that is $1,000. So that is what you call margin. So you see that if I lose that trade, I'll be losing the broker has hold at least the $1,000 I used to enter that position. So if the trade is going against me, I'll be losing, right? My equity is going to be coming down, depending on the price pips. That is pips is like just like human being, you have step one, two, three, four, five. If you make five steps, the market moves in step, right? Price can be sorry. So price can be sorry, hold on. Um, so uh, sorry guys, hold on. Um, so all right, so um, sorry, I'm calling somebody by mistake. Sorry, mistake. All right, so for you to be able to open that position of account, you need at least you need 1% of that distance. But now, what lot size is like the leverage your broker gives you to be able to open large to trade large amount of capital, right? You can they give you at least just imagine them giving you 99%, and you are bringing 1% of the total unit required to make that position. So it's very advisable as a newbie, don't try to over leverage your account. You have an account size of $100 and you want to use 0.5. You want to use like a, a, a mini lot size. You have to use 0.01 because if the price is going against you, the way I think about trading is I don't first of all think about how much I'll be making if this trade goes to my favor. Then I'll now over leverage. No, what I'm thinking of is if anything happens, if anything goes wrong, how much will I be losing with this lot size? It helps you minimize risk. So look at this trade I've called now. I've said okay that we are going to be GBP JPY. We are going to be selling GBP JPY, right? What of what? Let's say our stop loss pip is 20 pips, right? We are using 20 pips. You with your 0.01. Just imagine with 20 pips stop loss. If we are using 0.0, if you are using 0.1, sorry, hold on. If you use 0.01, then for every 10 pips movement, if you are using 0.01, you'll be making $1, right? So for sorry. So for any pips, for every pips movement, you'll be making sorry. So, um, okay. So now in your lot size, for every pip movement, for every let's say market moves, for every 10 pips movement, you are going to be making with 0.1 lot size for every pip movement. If you are using one standard lot, you'll be making $10 for every price movement, for every 10 pips movement that markets make. You'll be making $10. If you are using one standard lot, for every so that is how it works. So the more you leverage your accounts, it's going to be very difficult. I want to show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Alright guys, I'm coming. I want to show you guys something. So now, let me show you guys something. Let me share my screen. Um, I want to teach you guys. So it's very important you understand this thing. All right, look at here. Look at for every standard load for a standard load that is one, let's say one that's one standard load for every for you'll be making $10 for every pips movement. That's if price move one pips to your favor, you'll be making $10. Why if you are using 0.1, that's a mini lot, 0 point using 0.1, you'll be making at least um you'll be making $1 for every pips movement. If you are using micro lot size, that's 0.01, for every pips movement market go, if market moves one pips in your favor, you'll be making 0.10, you'll be making 10 cents, right? So you see how it works. So the leverage you are using will determine how much you'll be making and how much you'll be losing in a trade. So just imagine you are losing, you enter a trade and you are using 20 pips stop loss. So if market moves 20 pips to your favor and you are using 0.1, calculate $1 times 20. That's what you are going to be losing. You are going to be losing $20 if price goes 20 pips against you. If price goes 20 pips in your favor, you'll be making that $20 back, right? So you see why it's very important that you know your lot size and you know how much you are risking. So just imagine using 0.01. If price goes 1 pips, you are making 10 cents. If price goes 10 pips in your favor, you are making $1. If price go 10 pips against you, you are going to be losing just $1, right? So you see why it's very important and very advisable that we are very careful about the lot sizing we use. It's very important. Your lot size determine how long you'll be in this game. So know your account size and know how much you are willing to risk. Even though the strategy is sure, use a good risk management, right? Use a good um, risk management. Know, understand lot sizing. You can be trading 0.01 today. Tomorrow, you can be using one standard lot size and be making money. So it's not about, oh, I want to make the money fast. No, just learn the game. Like the forex market is going to be open all your lifetime. Like there'll be opportunity for you to trade. Like forex has been there before we born. It will be there. Market will always give us opportunity to make money. So that your $100 account, instead of you trying to over leverage and now blow it, why not you just use your 0.01? Even though you are losing, I feel $100 account is just to at least to learn, to understand the way this thing, to build consistency and to build your psychology and your discipline, right? You should not try to use $100 to want to buy a Lamborghini. No, it doesn't work that way, or to buy a mansion or to buy a house. No. Once you are getting consistently knowing your strategy and your psychology has been getting, you start building that consistency and mastery. Then 0.01, you can have an account of $100,000 in the future and you can be using 50 lot size. 50 lot size. That means if price moves one pips, you'll be making $500. If just one pips, if price move 10 pips, you're already making $5,000. So that's how it works. So just be patient in the game. Be patient in the game. So for the trade I call, let's just look at it one more time, then we'll just know. Sorry, let me share my screen. Um, all right, so we've called this trade that we are going to be selling GBP USD. If the price gets to this our zone, if the price gets here, I'll be dropping the signal on GBP JPY, and let's see the trade we call on GBP USD. Let's see the trade we called there. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay, that's it. So the price is still the entry of the price is still valid. It's still valid, right? So we're waiting for price is still going to tank. So if you're on this trade, sell GBP USD. Sell GBP USD. Let me see. Um, Sell GBP USD. So um, okay, I think I'm just I use 0.05. I'm just with 0.70 on this trade already. So just sell GBP GBP. I see a valid trade for gold. Gold has been on an uptrend. So once there's a little retest, then you position for a buy again. Euro USD can't see any opportunity. Okay, US oil. I think I just a trade. I say we are sell US oil. Sell US oil. Sell US oil. Let me enter. It's a good sell opportunity. The US oil. Um, I'm entering with one. Sell US oil. Okay, let's the trade. Sell US oil now. Let me get the stop loss. I'm going to be selling. So we have at least two trade now: GBP JPY, GBP USD, and US oil. Let's put our this in there. So sell US oil. Sell US oil now. Sell US oil. So our stop loss on US oil is 68.21 stop loss. Take profits. So just keep the take profit open. Let me drop this on the group. So if you so for those of you who don't have a funded account, if you have a demo, you can just use it to be trying. But I don't advise you trade demo for a long time because it's not real, it's not realistic, right? It's not real money. So 68 points. So for those of you who've not joined who join the community on WhatsApp group, I post signals there. So that is where you get all these free signals. Sell US right now. This is the stop loss. So we've dropped two trades, and I'll be telling you guys when to take profits. So let's look at BTC USD. I said we are going to be selling BTC USD. If price gets to break out from here, um, we'll be selling, BTC USD. So I'm just watching what the candlestick pattern will have here. But honestly, we're going to be shorting BTC USD. I entered earlier, but I exited. I made profit like when it was here, but it was a little profit. I think so. It was now retracing because I thought that price get here is going to go up backward. It broke here. It broke down from this level. So I just took the little profit I made. But now the setup now we are now in New York session 2 p.m. It's like an overlap session and there's a lot of volatility in the market. So if there is any opportunity here, I'll drop it on the committee. But for now, I've dropped two trade US or GBP, USD, and US oil. So those are the two trades we've been able to take today, and I'm very sure that I'm making a lot of money from those two trades. So um, our next I come here every Tuesday to help you become profitable, right? To just teach you how you could become profitable and to help you with at least trade ideas. That's what you call signals to be able to become profitable. So if you've not been able to join my community live session here, you see that there's a link down here, the link to the Telegram, to the what they call it now, to the WhatsApp group community. I post trades every day all through the week, so you could just do that. All right. So, with that being said, I think we've come to the end. Does anybody has any question? So, if you have any question, what you can do for us is that if you have any question, just drop it in the comments, and and I would answer the question. Does anybody has any question? Does anybody has any question? Okay, I don't think anybody has any question. Trust me, before if you're not subscribed to my YouTube to this channel and you are getting value, click the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and join the community. We're here to make money. This year, we are going to make a lot of money, and I'm very sure about that. And you'll be profitable this year. All you just have to do is to just be willing to learn, guys. So until next time, next week Tuesday, um, I'll be coming live every Tuesday by 2 p.m. By 1 p.m. But today we started by 1:30 because of some just few challenges. But 1 p.m. every Tuesday. So get to tune in. Until next time, take care of yourself, guys.